I've heard people say that too much of anything is not good for you, baby. But
thanks for coming. I assume you know why you're here. Well, I think you know, but I'm here to talk to you about sex. Oh, really? Interesting. You know, I noticed you've been watching a little more TV lately than I would like. And some of that TV has been very suggestive in the content, if you know what I mean. Anyway, I don't appreciate that, and so in to combat the sense of sexuality that is instilled in these children's shows, we're gonna have a little heart-to-heart, okay? Well, first off, and this is very important, I need to know, I need you to be honest. I need to know. You can tell me. Have you been having sex?
Nope.
That is a relief. I'm not too late. You know, I've been listening to a lot of people and they said to wait, and I was just concerned, but good. Okay, good. Good for you. Well then, I guess if you don't know a whole lot, do you have any questions for me?
Where's Barry come from?
That's a very good question. You see, and then the baby is born. So that's where babies come from. Other questions?
I am too far.
How far is too far? Right. How far is too far? That's a good question. Actually, I'm really excited to answer that question. Maybe you should come to my sermon series, my sex sermon series. Yes. You know what? And all these questions will be answered. Yeah. So, how about that? We make it a deal. You come for the next 4 or 6 weeks or whatever while we're talking about sex. We will answer all these questions. We'll give you God's point of view on sex. I'll answer questions like how far is too far. I'll answer questions about what God's real opinion of sex is. And all that. So does that sound like a deal? You come starting Wednesday nights to Pine Street?
See you there.
Fantastic. Good. I'll see you there.